This do-it-yourself fabric American Flag Garland is a fun and easy way to decorate for all of those summer patriotic holidays from Memorial Day to Labor Day. I love its farmhouse look. This flag rag garland is the perfect statement piece for your mantel, wall, window, entryway, staircase, and more. Let me show you how to make it in a few simple steps.
Step 1. Gather the supplies. I used fabric from Joann's. It's the blue fabric with the stars and the red and white striped fabric. The cord I used is macrame cord I found at Dollar Tree. When using cord, you can use whatever you have on hand or just purchase some twine or cord. A cutting mat, rotary cutter, and quilter's ruler. This is optional. You can just use a scissor to cut the fabric. If you are using the rotary cutter, the cutting mat, and the ruler, you will also need a scissor. Step 2. Cutting the fabric. You can use a scissor, pinking shears, or a rotary cutter. I'm going to be using a rotary cutter because it's much faster. Make sure that the fabric is folded in half, and then you're going to cut 2-inch wide strips from the fabric. I'm going to just cut one right now, but I want to show you what else you will be doing. You will be cutting off the selvage. That is the part at the end here. For instance, you can see here it has some printing on it. So you're going to cut that off. And you're also going to take your scissor and cut right along the fold. You're going to continue to make strips like this. The strips should be about 22 inches long by 2 inches wide.
I finished cutting all the strips. You may be wondering how much fabric I used and what size the finished product will be. If you go to our website, we'll have a link in the description below to our American Flag Garland page. That will tell you exactly how much fabric I bought and what the finished size is. Step 3 is to attach the strips to a length of cord. The first thing you want to do is you want to take your cord, make a loop, and then tie a knot. You want the loop to be 1 or 2 inches so you can hang it. Start with the blue strips. We're going to add all the blue strips first. You need to take the strips and stack the 2 ends together on top of each other so that they're both facing up. Then there's a loop at this end. Place the loop over the cord. Then take the ends and bring them up underneath the cord. Pinch your thumb and pointer fingers together to bring them through the loop, and then pull. You have your first one on. Now you can move it closer to the knot if you'd like, just by moving it. Okay, let me do that again. I'll show you again how to do that. And when I'm doing that, what happens is both of the colored part of the fabric are showing forward instead of one showing the reverse side. Okay, again, you're going to take your strip. You're going to stack the 2 ends on top of each other so that they're both are facing up. The pretty side is facing up. Here's your loop. The loop goes over the cord and then you take the two ends, you place them through the loop and pull. Now continue adding the blue fabric to the cord. Once you have the blue ones attached, then use the same process to attach the red striped ones.
A tip when tying the strips onto the cord is to attach the cord to something so that it's easier to attach them on there. Let me show you. Okay, again, I'm stacking the right sides on top of each other, putting it through the loop at the top, and then I'm pulling the cord that I have attached to something and just pull it, and it's much easier to attach it.
Once all the strips are attached, take your scissor and cut the cord, then make a loop and tie a knot. Then you have another loop for hanging your patriotic garland. Hang your garland anywhere you like, on your mantel, wall, or in a window. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this fabric patriotic flag garland and decide to make one for yourself or for a friend. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Help us by sharing our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other patriotic free projects and tutorials. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you don't miss future tutorials.